Let's go to page 410 and number 25. You have x squared plus y squared is greater than or equal to 1. So from here, this is the equation of the circle. Okay. So let's go ahead and sketch it out. Okay, so the center is going to be at 0, 0, and the radius is equal to 1. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to make this equal to 1. Okay. Okay, so my center is at 0, 0, and so and because of this, it's going to be a solid line. Now, because the inequality means there will be some shading, okay? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to do a testing point. Because this is inequality, so in inequality, you have to do the testing. So again, you want to use a point that is not on the line. So I'm going to choose my center 0, 0 as my testing point. So when you put 0 in here, put 0, you're going to get 0 is greater than or equal to 1. So this is false. Okay, so that means this point is false. Okay, that means you have to shade in the outside. Okay, so you have to shade in the outside. Okay, or you can just use the pen to kind of shade it. Okay, and that's it for number 25. Okay, let's go to number 26. Number 27. Okay, you got x squared plus y squared minus 4y greater than 0. Okay, so first you need to complete a square. Okay, so x squared is already done. So plus, okay, put parentheses. So you're going to get y squared minus 4y and leave a blank space. Okay, and then what you need to do is you have to complete a square. So this would be y minus 2 squared. Okay, y minus 2 squared. That means you need to plus 4 over here. Right, negative 2 squared, so you have to plus 4. So you have to plus 4. Okay, and then this will be greater than 4. So your center is going to be at 0, 2, and the radius, this is r squared, so radius will equal to 2. Okay, okay. So let's go ahead and sketch it out. Okay, my center is at 0, 2. It's right over here. That's my center. And the radius is 2. So you go 2 in every direction. And this is going to be a dashed line. Okay, so this is going to be a dashed line because there's none under here. So again, you do a testing point. Okay, so again, you want to choose a testing point that is not on the line. So again, the center usually will be the best point. So you put 0 in here, you put 2 in here, you're going to get 0, 0. So you're going to end up with 0 greater than 4. So again, this is false. Okay, so that means this point is false. That means you have to shade in the other side or the outside. Okay, and that would be number 27. Okay, let's go to number 29. You got x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 6y plus 9 squared is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so you need to group all your variables together. So you need to have x squared plus 6x, leave a blank space over here, plus y squared minus 6y, leave a blank space. You have to minus 9 on both sides. So it would be less than or equal to negative 9. Okay? And after that, you need to go and make a perfect square over here. Make a perfect square over here. So this one, you're going to get x plus 3, okay, square. Now, because you plus 3 over here, okay, you need to, so again, this is always half of that. So you need to get plus 9. So if you plus 9, you need to plus 9 on this side. Okay. Then after that, on this side, again, you're going to have a y minus 3 squared. So you need to plus 9 over here. Now, because you plus 9 over here, you need to plus 9 over here. And so you're going to get less than or equal to 9. Okay, so your center of the circle is going to be negative 3, comma, positive 3. And your radius, this is r squared, so take the square root, so r equal to 3. Okay. Okay, so let's go and sketch it out. Okay, the center is negative 3, positive 3, so right over here. And the radius is 3, and this is going to be, so this is going to be a solid line. Okay, so r equal to 3. Okay, again, you do the testing point. When you put a center in here, you're going to get 0. So you're going to get 0 less than or equal to 9. So this is true. So you have to shade in. So this point is true. That means the inside is true. So you shade in the inside. Okay, and so that's it for number 29. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 31. It says find the center and radius of each circle. Okay. Okay. So this one just have to complete a square. So you got 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x minus 24y plus 36 equal to 0. Okay, so first let's get rid of the, notice over here, there's no number in front, right? For the circle, you want to complete a square without the number in front. So you have to get rid of the number. So that's dividing by 4. So dividing by 4, so you got x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, and then next, what you need to do, you have to get rid of that number. So minus 9 on both sides. And group your variables. So you got x squared minus 4x. Okay, and then you got y squared minus 6y. I can leave a blank space over here, and this will equal to negative 9. Okay, then you're going to get your perfect squares. Okay, so from here you're going to get x minus 2. Again, this is always half of that. Now, so in order to get from here to here, you're missing a number. The number you're missing would be plus 4, because negative 2 squared will give you 4. So you have to kind of go back and forth between the perfect squares. Okay, so you have to plus 4 on this side. So whatever you do on this side, you have to do this on this side. Okay. Now that's going to do the same thing over here. So you're going to get y minus 3. Okay. Now negative 3 squared will give you plus 9. So you need to plus 9. So negative 9 plus 9 cancel out, so you have equal to 4. Okay. So this one, the center of the circle would be at 2, comma 3, and radius equal to 2. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 33. So same thing, you got 16x squared plus 16y squared minus 32x plus 8y equal to 0. Okay, so first dividing by 16. So you got x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 1/2 y equal to 0. Okay, then let's go and group things together. So that's no number over here, so it's kind of nice. So you got x squared minus 2x plus y squared minus 1/2 y equal to 0. So get your perfect squares ready. Okay. So from here to here, you need to have an x minus 1. Right? Again, this is always half of that. Now because of that, because to get minus 1, you need to have plus 1 right over here. Okay? So you need to have these two go from here to here. Now if you plus 1 over here, you need to plus 1 on this side. Now on this side, you need to get y minus, so this is going to be half of that. So half of the half is 1 over 4. You just multiply this by half, right? So you need to plus 1 over 16. Okay, so you need to plus 1 over 16. So this side becomes 17 over 16, right? 1 plus 116 is going to be 17 over 16. Okay. So from here, your center is going to be at 1 comma 1/4. And your radius will equal to, now you take the square root of that. You just do the square root of the top and the bottom separately. So on top, you're going to get square root of 17. On the bottom, when you take the square root, you get 4. Okay, and that's your answer. Okay. Okay, let's go to 35. Okay, find the equation of the circle. Describe, it give you a hint. It says a sketch may be helpful. Okay, so you have center at 0, 5, and it pass through point at 0, 0, right? So you can, if you were to sketch it out, okay, center is 0, 5, so 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right over here. That's your center, and the circle pass through the 0, 0. So center is going to be like that. So again, so you can see it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see R equal to 5. Okay. Okay. So kind of run out of space on top, but that's okay. You don't need it, right? You just want to sketch so you can see where your center and the radius. Okay. Once you know the center, you know the radius, you can write your equation, right? So that's your template, right? Okay. So the center. So you're going to minus 0, right? Minus 0, minus 5, and the radius over here, the R equal to 5, so it'd be 25. So you simplify a little bit, so you got x squared plus y minus 5 squared equal to 25, and that's your answer. Okay? Okay, 37. Okay, a diameter has endpoints, so the diameter, so you got 2 points. So you got 2, 5, and 0, 3. Okay, so now this is the diameter, right? So you can 37. So you got 2, 5, so 2 and then 5. Okay, so here's your 2, 5, and you got 0, 3. Okay. So this is the diameter of the circle. Okay, so this is diameter of circle. That means your circle is going like this. Okay, that's going to be your circle. Okay. Okay. So since it's a diameter, the center is going to be in the midpoint. So to find the midpoint, you average the 2. Okay. So here's your center. So to average, you add, divide by 2. So you're going to get 1. You add, you get 8, divide by 2, you get 4. Okay, that's your center. Okay, and to find the radius, you just look at distance, right? Again, so you can just use any one of these, right? So you can use your Pythagorean theorem. This is 1, this is 1. So this is going to be 45, 45 spatial triangle. So from your geometry, so you got 1, 1. This would be square root of 2. Okay, so from here, radius is going to be equal to square root of 2, and your center. Again, when you sketch out, you can figure it out, right? Center is going to be at 1, 4. Okay, so you can get your template ready. So you got x, y equal to something, right? Okay, so you're going to be minus 1, minus 4, and the r squared, so you square it equal to 2. Okay, and that's it. So again, when you sketch out, it help you to visualize the center and the radius. So for the circle, the key is to get your center, get your radius. Okay. Okay, number 39. The center is on the line y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is y equal to 4, right? If you just move the number over. And then it's tangent to x-axis at -2, 0. Okay. So number 39. So again, you sketch it out. Okay, so the center is on the line y equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So center is going to be on this line over here. Okay, so this is y equal to 4, right? So center is somewhere over here. And it's tangent to x-axis at -2, 0. So it's tangent to the x-axis at this point. That's your -2, 0. That's the point of tangency. So if this is the point of tangency, so that means the center has to be over here because the diameter or the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent line, right? Okay, so here's your center and the radius. So you can see that from here, from this picture, your circle is going to go like this. Okay. So from here you can see that your center is going to be at -2, 4. And the radius is going to be 4, okay, just from the sketch. So again, when you sketch it out, you can figure that these things out. So you're going to have the template. Again, this is your template for the circle, right? Okay, so center is -2, 4, so it'd be +2 minus 4. Remember, you have to take the opposite, right? Equal to 16. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, the center is in quadrant 4. Okay, so center is quadrant 4, and tangent to the line, tangent to x equal to 1, x equal to 9, and y equal to 0. Okay, so this is not, it sounds complicated, but actually it's fairly easy because they give you a lot of information. So this is number 41. Since we're going to have a 9, so we need to have lines right over here. Okay. So, oh wait. Quadrant 4. Okay, so it's down here. So it's going to be quadrant 4. The circle is going to be quadrant 4. The center is on quadrant 4. It's tangent to x equal to 1. So it's tangent to these. And tangent to 9. So this is x equal to 1. And this is x equal to 9. Okay. And y equal to 0. Okay. So the circle is going to fit right in here. Okay. Well, from x equal to 1, x equal to 9, so that means equal to 4, right? The diameter is going to be 8, so that means radius is equal to 4. So it means center has to be over here, okay? So you can, this is going to be, the center is going to be halfway between the two tangent lines. And so you can see that this is going to be 8, the diameter is 8, so the radius will be 4. So, and it's tangent to here, right? So you can, once you sketch it out, okay, so from here you can see that the center is going to be at, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'd be 5, -4, and radius will equal to 4. Okay, so now you can get your template. Okay, so it'd be -5 plus 4 equal to 16. So again, this circle is actually fairly easy if you were to just sketch it out. And you can visualize to find the center and find the radius.